Hey friends, if you wish to identify Windows startup, Windows services delaying shutdown or startup, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, you need to open the event manager. So search for event manager and open the event manager. Now you need to go to application and services logs, and then you need to expand Microsoft, then go to Windows and expand it. Search for diagnostic performance, okay, and expand it. Go to operational. In the right pane here, click on filter current log, and in the event ID type 203 and hit enter. Now all of the logs that will be shown are the ones which are associated with shutdown. So let's say I double click on the first log. This will give the details of shutdown, and it was caused due to the service or caused a delay in the system shutdown process. So basically I would be trying to shut down my system and there was a service which delayed it. It gives all the information and it also tells me the time. So I shut down my system on 25th and what do we say, 25th of July, and that is when I faced issues with this, and then it will show the next one. So this will show the Windows services which were delaying shutdown or startup, and this will be very helpful in identify what is causing your system not to shut down at the right time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.